Hey, hello, how are you? And welcome to Road Odyssey. I am Burke. Hope you're having a fantastic day. So this topic is about Airspeeder or eVTOLs that are flying race cars. And so I've done a couple of videos in the past about Airspeeder. This video is about 6 months old, and this one's about 7 months old. So this is just an update. They do updates periodically, but this one I thought was a little more important because they're actually looking for active racing locations. So they're working on that. And they also partnered up with Telstra Purple that will support the data, the 5G network communications, and all this good stuff to enhance flying capabilities, safety, etc. Now, when I was looking at this, I thought, let's just kind of look at flying race cars. So, of course, you get the dragsters and funny cars and stuff that are out, going into the air because they're just hauling butt so fast. Well, anyway, I found two other very interesting companies that I want to include in this and let you know about. One of them that is really cool is DCL. Now, DCL also, well, they began with gaming. So, but be on the lookout for DCL. And the second one that I thought was interesting is MACA. So this is a company with a hydrogen-powered engine for their eVTOL. And so, I don't know. Who knows? All kinds of neat stuff going on. So let's just get into it and see what we have. Here we go. We're going to begin with Airspeeder flying car races. Airspeeder is a company that is bringing in the resources of other companies who provide the precise various needs for flying race cars. For the most accurate and best information, just go out to airspeeder.com and you will get fantastic information on these really cool flying cars. Also, in the recent past, they had began incorporating very talented people in motorsport and aerospace, utilizing artificial intelligence, radar, and LiDAR that you would expect with warships and warplane aerospace technologies. Added to their group of people helping them get this thing going is Telstra Purple. Now, this group is going to incorporate a lot of 5G technology in the way of network communications, data visualization, and just a lot of computer power and development so that each of these individual race cars can communicate just as immediately as possible and with a lot of data. Taking all of this data in, telemetry, ground mapping, etc., they are building and enhancing their simulators. And these simulators provide them with feedback. So they're looping from simulator to data, in order to increase the power and possibilities of having the most perfect flying race car experience. The second aspect of this most recent news is they are actively out looking for places to hold the race events. Being a Australian-based company, they are looking primarily in Australia. Lots of really interesting locations. I don't know how much work they would have to go into for each location to provide safety, but one of their main goals is to find really cool places, maybe even historical areas like the Salt Flats. But ultimately, they are looking at something that really gives this Mars or spacey feel to the events. Let's look now at the MACA first hydrogen-powered flying F1 race car. This is super cool. I would encourage you to go out, look at this thing, do a little research on it, and just see what it's all about. Now, one thing I thought that was interesting, that here's the timeline. It sort of corresponds with Airspeeder, so I'm kind of curious what's going to happen come 2023. Will all these Formula One flying race cars get together somehow, or are they going to be segregated? It's just going to be really cool to see what happens. Now we're getting to DCL. If you've got a lot of money, you can have this giant drone. This one-seater drone is very light, fairly powerful, and pretty quick. Most of all, very maneuverable. DCL has been a very successful gaming company, now getting into manned drone racing and acrobatics. You can go out to the DCL website. It's dcl.aero, and go ahead, click on Explore, and go down to Big Drone, and you will get details. This video comes from Flight Test YouTube channel. This is fantastic video. Just sit back and enjoy this. This is so cool. That'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. I really do appreciate that a lot. And hope you enjoyed this little update. It's fun stuff. So anyway, with that, relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.